Got to download this parking app because I do not have coins. Just kind of annoying. I wish it took dollars because I have a couple of those. But yeah, we're out here. In the Fenway area. I'm about to go to this like camera equipment store thing because I believe they do have some pretty good memory cards in there, and then I'm gonna end up ordering another one online because I'm gonna need an excessive amount, as I've been told, because these videos do take up a lot of space. So that's what I'll do. Just grab a couple, call it a day. Okay, so I found the store. It's pretty cool from the outside. Pretty nice. Pretty nice T7. Pretty good.
What's the brand? Design?
Yeah. Kind of obsessed with them, so that's kind of why I go
I mean, it's a sturdy bag. It's
yeah.
nice.
Yeah, another good option would be something maybe like the GoPro bags.
I don't see them back there, but I can grab some for you.
Well, I'm about to test out the Osmo Action and get a couple test clips. I don't have like any of the accessories or anything like that, but I might go grab it. I'm waiting for the guy to let me know if they're available, and if they are, then I'll go pick them up, and that'll be a lot easier because shooting like this, just holding it, is not optimal. Like, you need some type of grip thing, but I guess I'll go to the Action, and if I can get the damn thingy on, oh, the facing thingy. Okay. But yeah, I'll go to the Osmo Action and let you guys know how it is. So right now I am walking towards the car, and I hope I'm not illegally parked. I should be good. But yeah, I'm probably gonna take like a quick walk, and I don't know. Let's see what's around here that I can grab. Maybe like a scratch ticket or something. Could probably do that. Or not particularly hungry yet. I could see where one of my friends are at and see what they want to do. That may make it a little bit easier. Let's see what we get into. And as you can see, I am shooting on the Osmo Action, as I told you guys a couple seconds ago, but it's just pretty cool to look at the Osmo Pocket in this thingy. Like, usually I'd be using my phone, but now that I have this, I'm able to use my phone for other things, and I'm probably gonna get like a tablet or some type of like what do you call it, those little monitors that go onto the camera, because I want to see if I can stream, like, you know, if I could watch the 4K footage, and that would be pretty cool if I could do that, because having something little like that with a 4K screen or 4K capabilities, whatever, would be pretty cool, because I did watch one of the videos that I made in 4K 60 at Best Buy, and it just looks so beautiful. So I definitely need a 4K display. Or, you know, if I win the lottery, I could get one of the 8K displays, and then that would be super sick. I don't know if they have this in you guys' area, but I'm stopping in Insomnia Cookies. Man, listen. This right here smacks. Oi. it was legal, I'd probably marry these. Give me 1 second. Oh my god. Damn. 100 LT. God damn. Yeah, I have to pull over because Jesus Christ. Gotta sell a couple things to get one of those. Man, listen. That's different. Their money's on a different type of time. What is this, a Park Plaza hotel? Same 4K TV like a year after they came out, year and a half, far less than half the price. So if I ever get one of those, I'll definitely just wait a few months. If you guys can see my full out. Drip check.